Does SnoreMD help with sleep apnea? If you or someone you know is struggling with sleep apnea and wondering if SnoreMD can be a solution, let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. SnoreMD is a mandibular advancement device, MAD, designed to help reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. Here's how it works. SnoreMD moves your lower jaw slightly forward, which helps to keep your airway open during sleep. This can be particularly helpful for people who snore or have mild obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. When it comes to sleep apnea, SnoreMD can be effective but has its limitations. Research shows that MADs like SnoreMD can reduce pauses in breathing and improve blood oxygen levels, although they are generally less effective than continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP, therapy. SnoreMD can improve daytime sleepiness, reduce snoring, and even lower blood pressure, which are all benefits for people with sleep apnea. However, it's crucial to note that SnoreMD is more suitable for mild to moderate OSA cases. For severe OSA or cases where blood oxygen levels drop below 70% during sleep, CPAP therapy is usually recommended because it acts faster and more effectively. Another important factor is comfort and compliance. Some people find MADs like SnoreMD more comfortable to use than CPAP machines, which can lead to better long-term use. Customized MADs fitted by dentists tend to be more comfortable and effective than pre-made ones. However, there are certain situations where SnoreMD might not be the best option. If you have severe OSA, certain dental conditions like significant periodontal disease or jaw joint issues, or if you have central sleep apnea, SnoreMD is not recommended. In terms of user feedback, many people have reported positive results with SnoreMD, such as reduced snoring and improved sleep quality. Users have mentioned feeling more refreshed and experiencing fewer sleep disruptions. In summary, SnoreMD can help with sleep apnea, especially for mild to moderate cases, by keeping the airway open and reducing snoring. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if SnoreMD is the right treatment for your specific condition.